Nandito rin yung parcel ko from Shopee. So, i-unbox na ni Sir.
Bato lagi.
Oh my God. Baka daw bato. Sana dito bato guys. Kasi in-order ko ay lapel. Lapel.
Bato.
Huwag
Yung
Roy! Hindi yan bato.
Surprise na. Ano yan?
Ang kutsilyo din nakabungat. No?
Ano yung item?
Kasi nag-order ako sa isang supplier. Meron siyang
Ta?
ganyang Japanese knife.
No.
Wala kaming
Ano
knife.
naninin mo?
Panchap-chap.
Fish knife, tapos megaphone.
Awa mo de adi gaan la.
Sakto ba ito? May free ba ito?
Kasi rin ko freebie yan ko, ang kutsilyo.
300 plus line eh.
Tingin ko tulo?
Dero ay.
Adiya. Kuan.
200 plus. Oh, press pa ka natin.
Cute.
Ano na ito?
Amo na ito? Good. Tapos ay man ang charger.
Charger sushi. Adi lang charger.
Hi.
Ala.
Adi, ano ba charger? Wala pating. Wala charger?
Dero ay.
So lang pag-charge.
Dila.
Cellphone?
Adi.
Ah. Cellphone na ito.
Anton.
Kanan head.
Oh, meron to.
Okay.
Go gamitan na.
Wow, like it. Testing
Bukod
nga.
din yung in-order.
Oh, may black, may
Pink.
pink. Baga na akong in-order. Pink man siguro to. Oh, amo ni. White na yan. Okay, so, testingan na ngayon guys. Sir, testingan eh.
Right.
Adi.
Tulis tingi.
Hey, so, are you ready to answer the test? Okay, so now that you can recognize affixes, figure out the meaning of the underlined word to which an affix is added. Use also other strategies such as context clues to further unlock its meaning. Okay, you need to write only the letter of the correct answer. Okay, number 1. Yes, Arvin was unresponsive to the doctor's question because he was embarrassed to tell the truth. What do you mean by unresponsive? A. Not acting. B. Not moving. C. Not listening. D. Not reacting. Again, Arvin was unresponsive to the doctor's question because he was embarrassed to tell the truth. A. Not acting. B. Not moving. C. Not listening. D. Not reacting. Okay, are you done? Yeah! Okay, number 2. When Rita regained her consciousness, she saw people surrounding her bed. A. Sight. B. Strength. C. Composure. D. Awareness. What do you mean by consciousness? A. Sight. B. Strength. C. Composure. D. Awareness. Okay. Are you done?